Hi there, I'm Robert Duzik and welcome to From Idea to Sound Part 3. I decided to start do a little introduction for this video since I released 2 of them previously and I never talk, just showing the clips. The idea of these videos are to give you some inspiration and show you some of my techniques, what I'm using and how I'm recording the sounds, and plus up close you can see my mic positions, how I'm setting up microphones, and what's my approach to the sound and what I'm actually using. So I really wanted to share with you ideas. And this is the little short clips from my long session when, guys, I have over 40 terabytes of video material recording during my recording sessions, what I will be share with you on this channel. So if you're not subscribed and you want to learn and watch, please subscribe so you're not going to miss them. But there are the collections of elements from different sessions and I just put them together and I figure, you know what, if you're going to spend 10 minutes watching videos, you might going to find something what's going to interest you. Maybe you've been stuck on something and you don't know how to get this out. Some of the ideas might going to give you the inspiration. So this is why they call From the Idea to Sound. And this is part 3 and more to come. Now, second part of this introduction, I want to address a couple of the comments what I'm getting from you guys. And a lot of times it's come from my social media and it's come in my YouTube channel. And most of the comments are basically like, you ruin perfect instrument, you ruin the cello, you breaking guitars, you know, people want the instrument. Guys, I will never do this to the perfect instrument. I'm the musician. I come from the poor family when we don't have anything. When I come to America, I have no money. I wasn't speaking English. I start from zero. So trust me, if there's anyone who appreciates the instrument and what I buy, that will be me. Because I know how hard I have to work for my instruments. And I have beautiful collection of the instruments, the untouchable and the very well preserved, the clean. The stuff what I'm using in the videos, most of the times I'm buying them on the eBay or flea markets or somewhere, and they're already damaged instruments and people either give them for nothing or you just pay like very little price. A lot of the times, you know, there's cracks, dents in the backs and nothing what you can do and people just don't know what to do. So if I'm gonna pay $5 before somebody gonna throw this in the dump and I can use for the recordings and give you entertainment, I think so it's worth it. So please don't accuse me I break any perfect instrument because none of them is perfect. And I give you a tip. If you want to get even like a free instrument, go to your logo store, music store, and ask the manager, say, hey, do you have any broken instrument, something what you may be gonna throw? I'm pretty sure they will probably find something because I really believe you've been in the music store before and I'm sure you see like some broken instruments or there's a guy who just poked something and the speaker broke or like broken knobs or screens or something. A lot of times this store's just throwing this stuff away in the garbage. So if you're nice to them, you're gonna ask them, I'm pretty sure they will save something for you and they just give you for free. This is how I'm getting my instruments from Guitar Center here, not far away from me. So just, that's the tip for you. Go, find, ask, you know what I mean? Buy them even for cheap, use one broken, but trust me, no more comments. I never break good instrument. I love music and I respect, and I do make a lot of the community. You know this already. I do a lot of giveaway and I will be the last person who will be ever break any instrument. Another thing, you see me a lot of times playing with food. This is not me who invented this technique. This technique was invented by a lot of other sound designers who's working in a lot of movies. And I'm sure if you're playing video games, watching movies, you probably enjoy the sounds and you just maybe don't see how they're making the sounds, but they're making from food. And want you to know the food what I'm using, that's the food when I'm getting on the grocery store when it's like an expire, or I used to work in the grocery store, so I'm basically getting from my friends the food what they will be just go straight to the dump because they can't resell because there's expiration, the seller don't want to take this back, or produce if they're not going to sell them by end of the day because they're already on the reduced rack, they're just going to throw them in the garbage. So might as well again, instead of throwing the garbage, I will take this, bring it home, record. You have the entertainment. I'm getting great sounds and you're getting the idea of the sounds. So guys, if you see like playing me with the pasta, with lettuce, with anything, what I do with this thing other. Sometimes if it's something good, I can still use it. We can make a salad, but if it's already damaged and rotten and something, and I just give the extra squeeze to get the sound, I just throw in the garbage because no one will be ever use this food. If I will not grab this food from the shelf or from the reduced price rack, this thing will be just ending, go to the garbage. So basically I'm just rescue and give it one more jump on the life to the instruments, to the food, and any other objects what you see what I damage in the videos. So please guys, remember, I never damage anything was perfect good. I never damage good food. Everything is giving just a second chance before will be go actually to the dumpster. So that's it for the introduction. Please enjoy From Idea to Sound Part 3, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.